The Shopfloor mobile app is very easy to install. You go to App Source, you find it and install it on a 60 days trial, or from your Business Central client, you just search for Shopfloor mobile in the header and you'll find it. Next time you open your Business Central Road Center, there will be a notification displaying Shopfloor has been installed but not yet activated. Then you click Activate Shopfloor now. It will ask for your email address. You click Next. And when you're done, you can see that it's creating a setup here. And what's really happening is that it's downloading the file with all the mobile flow setup. So that's all the out-of-the-box standard setup, which is automatically downloaded. Later on, you can update those if we have new versions of that. But now you have installed the mobile flow, the Shopfloor mobile, and you can search for it in the menu like this. And you can see the Shopfloor overview and start registering with the Shopfloor.